All right, so this is how we end the day for our mowing crews. People have asked what we do when we get back, how we plug in our batteries and such. So currently in our vehicles, we have the batteries actually in the chargers actually in the vehicles. So all we do at the end of the day is when the guys get back, they take their batteries like so. They put them in the chargers. Get everything there. And then, as I showed you in another video, we've got power strips that are with the cords ran out the bottom of the vehicles. And when they get back to the shop, all they do is plug these power strips in. Like so. Everything starts charging. We just check it to make sure everything's good, and then the guys will be all set. You can see these batteries are already charged. Just close everything up, lock it. We don't leave our mowers outside, so we unhook our mowers, take them in the shop, change the blades every day. And with these Greenworks mowers, or any mower really, we use a torque wrench, and it literally takes about 45 seconds to change the blades. And I know, you know, I'm one of the worst about keeping up on maintenance, but I'm fanatic about changing blades on mowers, because that 45 seconds or a minute you spend can save you a lot of time during the day while you're mowing, not having to double cut areas, being able to get through thick grass faster. So we take this inside, we change the blades, take our ice packs out of our coolers, go put them in the freezer, let them freeze up for the night, and that's pretty much it. You know, we try to waste as little time as possible. So our guys, when they come in the morning at the shop, all they do, they go in, they clock in, they grab their phone, their phone for that crew that has the route on it. They get their keys from the key box. They come out, they get their ice packs, and they come out here and they get in the car, and it usually takes 5 to 10 minutes to get out of the shop every morning. When they come back at the end of the day, the same thing I just showed you here. When they change the blades, it might take them 5 to 10 minutes, and then they're out. And that time adds up a lot, that inefficiency. If your guys are coming in and they're goofing around for, you know, 20, 30, 40 minutes, you know, when they come in and then again when they leave, that's a big waste of time. As well as getting gas. You know, if your guys are getting gas every day, if you're running gas equipment, or you're getting, you know, you're running big trucks that you have to fill up, you know, multiple times a week, that time really adds up. And the beauty about these Priuses that I love is we might put gas in this thing. This thing is running full-time mowing, you know, 50, 60 lawns a week, and we might put gas in it once every 6 weeks, which is crazy because it gets 50 miles to the gallon. So our guys are spending very little time, you know, getting gas, getting in and out of the shop, and we've tried to simplify that process as much as possible so that everything they need is contained within this vehicle, and all they got to do is come in, you know, get a few things, go, and then do the same thing when they come back. Hello everyone, this is Michael with Quiet Lawn. If you'd like advice, information, or tips about taking care of your lawn or landscape, please follow us.